In this video, I am going to talk about the content I learned about my cohort and the things I learned from the disruptive technology course. My first preferred cohort will be extended reality, where my personal interest and passion is in 3D modeling and animation, where I can develop characters and world building. Then programming of game mechanics. My strengths lie in the programming and 3D modeling in any basic game engine like Unity and Unreal. Basic world building and game physics logics. Market demands and trends. Game development is an evergreen field as it requires new innovation and concepts to bring it up to the trend. And my second cohort will be web development, where I like to design front-end designs of different kinds of websites and like to explore different kinds of sites which help me in building games. Strengths: no basic front-end and wireframe development for websites using open sources like Figma. Market demand and trends in web development lies in AI integration, low-code platform, cloud tools, and etc. The challenges identified in my chosen cohort is it requires a high processing power for XR applications. There is a lot of latency issues affecting real-time performances, and data privacy and security risks in AR and VR apps are significant. The challenge I choose is bugging and debugging, which is faced in newly developed games. As the customer when faces the problem, he reports the bug that he has to wait until the bug is fixed manually by modifying the program so that he could experience the game fully. And the constraints would be that it has to be changed or debugged manually, as it costs lots of time and manpower. The target user for these will be game developers and game developing companies which require external sources. And the overall learning from the value added courses across the cohorts will be learned how VR and AR enhances users' experience in training, education, and other. Cloud computing, I gain knowledge on storing and accessing data over the internet. And in cyber security, learn the importance of protecting data and systems from attacks. Thank you.